There are definitely times when being provocative in your marketing is a tactic to help you succeed.
I'm Yvette Mayer, and you're about to discover how the human design gates can help you create more engaging content to grow your business. In each episode, we explore a specific gate's unique frequency as a cosmic content code. Let's dive in.
Today, we're talking about Gate 39 in human design, which is known as the gate of provocation or obstruction. This is a root-centered gate, and it connects through to the solar plexus, which is the emotional center. So the root center comes with an energy of pushing up. So this energy is definitely strong and powerful. And not only is it pushing up, but it's pushing up towards your emotional center. So it comes with a flavor of what I would call passion. And when we think about this energy in terms of marketing, I refer to Gate 39 as creative provocation. So yes, it is about that spark, the challenge, or the moment when things may feel under pressure, a sense of tension, that we're actually activated into creative solutions. And this energy, the Gate 39, has a whole lot of creativity about it. So when you think about Gate 39, consider that it has this frequency of stimulus to provoke change. And when it comes to marketing, it's the friction that leads you to needing to find a better way, getting more creative, unlocking your own creative genius. It also has a flavor of inspiration about it. So we can think about this energy as helping us provoke others to see opportunities, to reconsider what is possible when they lean into their creativity. To go diving into the deep end of the Gate 39 creative provocation, I'm going to talk you through the low frequency of this gate and the high frequency. But before I do that, don't forget to stay to the end, because at the end of the episode, I'll be sharing 3 cosmic content prompts for Gate 39 to help you create more resonant and relevant messaging when the 39 is transiting through the human design chart, or if you have Gate 39 in a prominent position inside your own body graph. Exploring the low frequency of Gate 39. Well, I talked already about this being a pressure center and having a sense of pushing up from the root center. Now, the flavor of pressure for the 39 is about feeling constricted, stuck, maybe even trapped. In the gene keys, the shadow frequency is referred to as provocation, but it stems from a sense of feeling like you're an animal trapped in a gilded cage, that you can't get out and all you want is freedom. And it can even lead to a little bit of bad behavior, because with this connection to the emotional center, it can provoke a really negative emotional response. And this response, well, really, it's about fear. It's about fear of not being able to be true to self, feeling stuck, feeling trapped, and then lashing out, which of course is not the frequency that we want to live our lives in when it comes to Gate 39. Instead, let's explore the high frequency. And this is where the creative energy comes through. The high frequency is known as dynamism. So think about dynamic, creative solutions. And it's an inside job. It's about connecting into your own sense of creativity and trusting in your own genius, knowing that no matter what shows up for you in life, that you do have it inside of you to unlock different ways of thinking, to see better ways forward. And in doing so, to show others that it's possible to face challenge with creativity, to come through challenging situations that feel maybe like a breakdown by having a creative breakthrough. And this is a kind of provocative, positive energy that is also going to help others see that there's always a possibility beyond the fearful thinking, that when we unshackle from the fear and we consider our natural inclination for creative genius, that we will find a more dynamic and abundant way forward. So in summary, the low frequency is about feeling stuck, trapped, and like you're not free to be yourself and operate at your fullest potential. Whereas the high frequency of dynamism is when we lean into our natural truth, when we connect into our natural genius, when we see a bigger possibility and we find a way through. And we tend to do this with a lot of passion with this energy of Gate 39, Creative Provocation. And now it's time for our 3 cosmic content prompts for Gate 39, Creative Provocation. For our first cosmic content prompt, this one is about thinking back in your life to a time when you were feeling stuck, trapped, or like things were particularly challenging and you had to get creative to move forward. Now, one thing I want to make clear when I talk about creativity, I'm not just talking about the arts. We are all eminently creative. In fact, we are creation. And every breath, every step, every word that we project into the world is our creativity. And that's the essence of creative provocation. Have you been in a position where things feel hard, heavy, you're stuck, you're trapped, and you've had to come up with a new way forward? You've had to tap into your own creativity. This is perfect content to share when Gate 39 is transiting through the Human Design Sun Chart, which happens at the beginning of July each year, or regularly if you happen to have Gate 39 in a prominent position in your Human Design body graph. And if you don't know if you have Gate 39 in your body graph, make sure you go to the description now and you can download your chart for free on my website. And not only are you going to get your chart, but you'll get a whole bunch of marketing insights as well. Our second cosmic content prompt for Gate 39 asks you to get provocative with your marketing. I'm talking about pressing people's buttons. Yes, this can be a very good thing to do in your marketing. And maybe it's not something you do regularly, but yes, being provocative, going where others are afraid to go, activating your audience into a new way of seeing things, particularly around their own potential. This is incredible content, and it's going to work particularly well when we're transiting through Gate 39. And for our third cosmic content prompt for Gate 39, the Creative Genius, this one is about your creative genius. Yes, you have it inside of you. This is a time when we want to hear from you about your own process for connecting into that genius inside of you. We're very interested in your process because it can help us unlock more creative possibility for ourselves. Do you have Gate 39 in your Human Design chart? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, if you don't know, go to the description now and you can download your free chart.